Right, gentlemen, so there's 2 bolts. So there, wrong way around. It's 1 bolt. See, as you loosen the other one, that pops out. Right, so what you need to know is there's a clip at the bottom and a clip at the top. Now to remove this, it's going to feel wrong, but you're going to have to force it a little bit. I start at the top and I just pull it straight backwards. And the same with the bottom. You pull it, don't pull it that way or at an angle, pull it straight to the rear of the car. And when you do that, it comes loose. Right, so as you can see, let me just angle it like that. So the top one here is our brake one. This is the light that's giving the problem. So all you do is twist and pull out, and that's about that. Then from there, this is where the handkerchief comes in. Take your old bulb out and replace it with your new one. Okay, yeah. So it goes in a certain way. It has 2 bevels on the sides which slot in. You must just make sure that you slot it in the right side. And that's that. Also, the reason why I use the handkerchief is that your hands give off oil, and when you touch the bulb, this affects the bulb later in its life, and yeah, could pop. So then all you do is locate it, turn it, and there we go. Your bulb is replaced. Now putting it back, it's the same principle. You put it in, locate it in its holes, and then you just give it a light nudge like that, and it's located. And now you replace the bulbs, the nuts. Tighten, but don't tighten it too much, alright? Because after all, it's tightening into steel, and if you over tighten it, you can damage the plastic. Alright, so that's that, guys. Simple as that. Stay tuned, I've got lots more videos on Nissan Pathfinder and the Navara. I'll be showing lots of things, replacing and fixing and home repairs, everything. So like, subscribe, and feel free to search for more info. Till next time, cheers.